The Chinese Air Force has deployed the GJ-11 Sharp Sword stealth attack UAV for the first time at Shigatse Air Base in Tibet, near the Indian border. Images released by the open-source satellite imagery provider, Planet Lab, show several GJ-11 stealth reconnaissance and attack present at the Shigatse Air Base between August to September this year. The GJ-11 was released for public display at the Airshow China in November, though the drone has been in development for several years now. The UAV has a takeoff weight of 10 tons, a flight speed of up to 1,050 km per hour, and a range of up to 1,200 km. It can operate in unmanned wingman mode, with command and control provided by J-20A and J-16 manned fighter jets. It can be armed with several types of air-to-air and air-to-surface missiles, which are housed in its internal weapons bay to greatly reduce its radar signature. The deployment of the GJ-11 at the strategically important base would indicate an operational test and might point to the GJ-11 having reached a semi-operational state. The Sharp Sword is a prime example of China's prowess in flying wing uncrewed aircraft, which are reported to stealthier than drones of conventional design. The GJ-11 Sharp Sword to be designed to penetrate enemy airspace without being detected and perform air-to-surface strike and intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance (ISR) missions. It can also be used for air-to-air combat as an electronic warfare platform.